Cleaning and maintenance. Fill the water tank with water and detergents to the max level. Press steam button for 3 seconds and the unit enters cleaning mode. The 1 cup and a cup indicator lights flash. The whole process takes about 18 minutes, with the water comes out in 3 times. The standing time is for chemical reactions. When the lights flash faster, it's time to clean the steam wand. Turn on the steam knob to release the water. When the cleaning process is finished, all the lights flash. Reset the knob and the appliance enters standby mode. Repeat twice to remove residual detergent. You may wipe the unit with damp cloth. Insert the thinner cleaning needle into the holes in the filters to clean them.